everyone, I'm Suen. Today I'll be sharing with you about diseases in Malaysia. First of all, what is a disease? A disease is actually an abnormal condition of body or mind that causes discomfort, difficulty to function, and stress to an individual. Next, diseases can be classified into two, which are infectious diseases and non-infectious diseases. And infectious diseases are normally caused by infection of pathogens directly through mediums and vectors. It can be transmitted from one individual to another. Besides that, a non-infectious disease is caused by a genetic factor or lifestyle. It cannot be transmitted from one individual to another. Now, let's see about the introduction of dengue fever. Dengue fever is actually a mosquito-borne tropical disease caused by the dengue virus. The dengue virus belongs to the Flaviviridae family of viruses. In addition, dengue virus can be divided into four types, namely dengue virus 1, dengue virus 2, dengue virus 3, and dengue virus 4. Dengue fever is an arboviral illness. An arboviral illness is actually an infection caused by the viruses transmitted by mosquitoes. Next, dengue fever is spread by several species of female mosquitoes of the Aedes genus, principally Aedes aegypti, that bites during daylight hours. As for a person who is infected with dengue virus, symptoms normally begin 3 to 14 days after the infection, and recovery generally takes 2 to 7 days. What are the causes of dengue fever? The main cause of dengue fever is actually through transmission. There are 3 types of transmission, which are mosquito to human transmission, human to mosquito transmission, and other modes of transmission. As for mosquito to human transmission, the virus is transmitted to humans through the bites of infected female mosquitoes, primarily the Aedes aegypti mosquito. After feeding on a dengue virus infected person, the virus will infect the organs of the mosquito, including their salivary glands. This process takes about 8 to 12 days. Once infectious, the mosquito is capable of transmitting virus for the rest of its life. Besides that, as for human to mosquito transmission, mosquitoes can become infected from people who are infected with dengue virus. Human to mosquito transmission can occur up to 2 days before someone shows symptoms of the illness. Next, there are 4 types of other modes of transmission, which are maternal transmission, infected blood products, organ donation, and sexual transmission. Here are the symptoms of dengue fever, including high fever, rashes or muscle pain, bone pain, vomiting, joint pain, eye pain, and headache. As we know, dengue fever can cause death. So, how do we prevent dengue? Firstly, we can stay indoors during peak biting hours. Next, we can also keep mosquito outside by using screens on windows and doors to prevent mosquitoes from entering our home. In addition, we should also cover or empty water containers to prevent mosquitoes from breeding on spilled water. Next, we should also use a mosquito netting while sleeping. Using an effective repellent is also very important to prevent dengue. Lastly, we should wear the right clothes during outdoors, such as long sleeves, pants, and lighter colors of clothes. Here are some suggestions to solve the spread of dengue fever. First of all, we should use insect repellent that contains EPA-registered active ingredients to provide longer protection. We should also protect our baby or child by using mosquito netting on their strollers or baby cot. Next, we should also wear long sleeve shirts and long pants during outdoors. Lastly, we should also take steps to control mosquitoes inside and outside our home. This is a graph of dengue cases reported weekly in 2020 and 2021 from the Department of Health Malaysia. As we can see, the number of cases is constantly decreasing since 2020. This is a great improvement made by the government and citizens of Malaysia. However, we should also be aware of the dengue virus. Now, let's fight dengue together for a brighter future. Thanks for listening. Bye!